I'm Magan Wollerton for CNET Appliances, here with the Neato BotVac 85. Now, the first thing you might notice about this robot vacuum is that it looks a lot like the XV line models we've tested before, but it's not. This one is $599 and it's the highest end of the new BotVac line. One clear thing that will distinguish BotVacs from XV line is that all of the BotVacs are white with a brightly colored accent on the top here. But the most exciting changes are really things that you can't see at first glance. One cool thing is that Neato made its bin capacity bigger and its filters bigger. That means that you won't have to empty out the dustbin quite as often and that the filter will be collecting more because it's bigger. Neato also made its main brushes bigger. You still have the same pet hairbrush and the same standard blade brush, but they're much longer, about an inch longer, and that means that they go closer to the wall and they can clean those edges more efficiently. But the thing I love the most is that they added a side brush to this design. It's on the right side of the vacuum, sort of like the Roomba, and it's great for cleaning those edges. It gets even closer than the larger brush already does. Usability is pretty much the same. The buttons are a little bit different. Instead of a start button over here, you have the home button that just wakes up the bot and press it again to initiate just a regular old cleaning cycle. Pretty simple. Performance was interesting too. With all these updates and the new side brush, you'd expect it to do better, and it did. As far as performance goes, the existing Neatos are really, really good. This one's even better. It still did great with the pet hair. It did about the same on the sand test, but one thing that really stood out was the rice test we did. On all of the flooring surfaces, it collected more rice than any Neato ever has, and that was actually an area where Neatos have struggled in the past. So if you're already thinking about getting a Neato and can spend $599, this is a great option. But if you're thinking about getting a Roomba, I think this is a more interesting comparison, because the Roomba 880 costs $699, this one's $599, and it has really similar features, and it did just as well. So this really could be the best Neato yet. Thanks for watching. I'm Magan Wollerton for CNET Appliances.